Hello everyone. So today guys, we are going to learn about what is number system. Okay, we are going to learn about number system and its types. Okay, so there are basically four types of number systems. Okay, four types over there. First one is binary number system. Okay, second one is octal number system. Third one is decimal number system. Okay. And the fourth one is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number system. Okay. Binary means what? The binary means base of binary number is 2. Okay. Octal means same. Base of octal number is 8. Then decimal. Base of decimal number is 10. And what is hexadecimal? Base of hexadecimal number is 16. Okay. Now see, what is meaning of this base? Basically, base means what? How many numbers we are going to use to create the number. Okay. How many numbers? So here we are going to create numbers. Create numbers using these two numbers. Which one are those? 0 and 1. So always when we can say about the binary number should like the combination of. Okay. Combination of 0 and 1. Okay. Now let's assume that 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. This is my number. Now, if I want to check the number, how can I say that the number is binary number? Just because of this number is created by using two digits only. First one is 0. Okay. First one is 0 and second one is 1. By using these two numbers, my number will going to generate. So that I can say that the number is binary number. Okay. Like the same way, when we can say octal number. Okay. So octal numbers are generated by using 0 to 7 numbers. Okay. 0 to 7. All these are 8 numbers. So if I say that 7, 5, 2, 1. Okay. This is my octal number. So how I consider that the 0, 1, 1, 0 is my binary number and this is my octal number. Okay. So in that case, we are going to use 0O and here 0B. Okay. Yes. So see guys, if I say that this is my octal number 0O and if it is my 0B, it is my binary number. So what we are going to write for hexadecimal? 0x. Okay. And hexadecimal means what? 16 numbers over there. So which numbers are those? The 16 numbers are, we can say 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay. These all are the number of system. So if you can say that, we can consider the example of IP address over here. See, IP address. Okay. So in IP address, we are able to see this kind of numbers also. A, C, F, E, anything. Okay. So these are the present in hexadecimal format. Okay. And hexadecimal format start with 0x. Now, what about decimal format? Decimal format means what? It will going to generate the numbers from 0 to 9. In real life, we are going to use decimal numbers only. Okay. And inside, in front of decimal number, there is nothing, no any 0B. Like if binary number is over there, then we are going to use 0B. Octal number is over there, then we are going to use 0O. Then hexadecimal, we are going to use 0x. But for decimal number, we don't going to use anything. So let's start the practical. Okay. Let's assume that I'm having a equals to 100. Okay, this is my number. If I want to check what we can represent 100 into binary number, so convert this 100 into binary number, simply do bin of a. So bin is a function to convert number into binary number. Okay. So if I execute this, then see it is my binary number of 100. If I want to convert this number into octal number, then OCT is a function. OCT of A, it will convert the number into binary number. Likewise, hex. Okay. So likewise, hex is again a function to convert any number into hexadecimal format. So if I pass this A to hex function, then it will give me the number in hexadecimal format. And what is the decimal format of this? Yes, so 100 is the decimal format of this. So here are the 4 representation of 100. Okay, the number is same 100, but we are going to represent the number here in decimal format, here in binary format, here in octal format, and here in hexadecimal format. Okay, so these all are the number system. Here you can see 0B for binary, 0O for octal, 0X for hexadecimal. And this is our decimal number, whatever we are going to use in day-to-day life. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much.